We've known for a very long time that there are 9 planets. Wait, 8 planets? Sorry, Pluto. But hold on a second. What if scientists were right all along? What if there really is a 9th planet lurking in the far reaches of our solar system? Scientists believe there's something big, like 5 times the size of Earth big, hiding out beyond Neptune. But here's the kicker. No one's actually seen it yet. We can detect its potential influence on other objects, but is that enough proof? So, is this mysterious planet X real? Or is it just an astronomical illusion? Let's dive in and find out. Finding new planets isn't easy. Look up at the night sky and everything kind of just looks like dots. But thousands of years ago, ancient astronomers noticed something weird. Some of those dots moved. Unlike stars, which stayed in fixed patterns, a few bright spots slowly shifted across the sky over weeks or months. And that's how early civilizations identified Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn as planets. Not bad for people without telescopes, right? Then in 1781, astronomer William Herschel accidentally discovered Uranus while searching for comets. It turns out people had seen Uranus before, but they just thought it was another star. Because it moved so slowly, no one realized it was actually orbiting the sun. So yeah, even when planets are right in front of our noses, we don't always recognize them. And that's something to keep in mind as we search for Planet 9. Could it already be hiding in plain sight? Fast forward to the 1800s, and astronomers noticed something off about Uranus. It wasn't moving exactly the way Newton's laws predicted. Its orbit had small irregularities, like it was being pulled by an unseen force. Enter math wizard Urbain Le Verrier, who suspected that another yet undiscovered planet was tugging on Uranus. Instead of looking for it randomly, he used mathematical calculations to predict exactly where this mystery planet should be. He sent his predictions to astronomers in Germany, and on September 23, 1846, boom, Neptune was found, almost exactly where Le Verrier said it would be. Imagine calling out the location of an entire planet using just math. That's like predicting where your lost TV remote is based on gravitational pull. With Neptune's discovery, astronomers thought, hey, let's try this again. A guy named Percival Lowell believed Neptune's orbit wasn't fully explained, meaning there had to be another planet, something even bigger and further away. He spent years searching for what he called Planet X. In 1930, Clyde Tombaugh, a young astronomer working at Lowell's observatory, finally discovered Pluto. At first, people thought Pluto might be Planet X, but there was a problem. It was way too small. Pluto's mass wasn't nearly enough to explain the strange motions of Neptune and Uranus, so the search continued. So what's the evidence for Planet X now? In 2016, astronomers Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin studied objects in the Kuiper Belt, the icy region beyond Neptune. They found that 14 of these objects had oddly similar orbits, all clustering together in a way that didn't make sense. The odds of this happening by chance? Pretty low. The best explanation? Something massive. Probably a planet at least 5 times the size of Earth is pulling on them, keeping them in this pattern. And based on their calculations, this planet, dubbed Planet 9, could be orbiting the sun at an extreme distance. Now let's just pause for a second. A planet 5 times the size of Earth hiding in our solar system? How have we not found this thing yet? Well, there are some reasons why it remains elusive. If Planet 9 is real, why hasn't a telescope spotted it yet? The answer comes down to distance, brightness, and timing. If it exists, it's crazy far away, maybe 500 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. That means that it could take 10,000 years to complete just one orbit. If it's currently near its most distant point, it would be incredibly dim and nearly impossible to see with our current telescopes. It's also possible that, just like Uranus and Neptune, we have seen it in the past telescope surveys, but misclassified it as a faint star. After all, planets don't twinkle like stars do, but at that distance, it might be so faint that we didn't even notice it. And of course, there's always the chance that Planet 9 doesn't exist at all. That the unusual orbits we see in the Kuiper Belt are caused by something else, like an undiscovered belt of icy debris or even a flaw in our gravitational models. Scientists are still debating. Right now, astronomers are using some of the most powerful telescopes on Earth, like the Subaru telescope in Hawaii, to scan the sky for Planet 9. They've already ruled out over half of its possible locations, and they're refining their search as technology improves. If it's out there, it's only a matter of time before someone finds it. And guess what? You could help find it too. There's actually a citizen science project on Zooniverse where anyone can help scan telescope images for Planet 9. Think about it. Imagine being the person who actually discovers a new planet. Maybe it'll get named after you. So, will we ever confirm Planet 9's existence, or is it just a cosmic illusion? Either way, the hunt continues. And who knows? The next big discovery might come from you. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown and you want to keep exploring the universe with me, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. There are so many more mysteries to explore. See you on the next one.